how to archive your chats in Telegram. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to archive chats in Telegram. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. This works both on Android and iOS, and the process is almost identical. Now once you're inside your Telegram app, tap and hold on the chat that you want to archive. Once you do that, you'll see a little three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. A drop-down menu will show up. There you'll see an option called Archive. Tap on it and your chat is archived. Another way to archive your chat is just swipe onto your left. And that's how you can archive your chats. Archived chats are moved to a separate folder called Archive Chats at the top of your chat list. If it's not visible, just swipe down on your chat list to reveal it. Telegram automatically unarchives chats when you receive a new message in them, unless they are muted. So if you don't want your archived chats popping back up, just open the chat, tap on the three-dot menu or menu icon, choose the mute notification and set your preferred duration. And that's it. Now you know how to archive your chats like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.